Hello Barney.
Well mate.
What are we doing today?
Teaching you how to solder.
Very nice.
So you want to clean the end of the pipe.
Yep. How are you doing that?
Just with a bit of like abrasive cloth.
Nice.
Just make sure it's nice and shiny. So a bit of flux on there. You don't need a lot of this. Try and even it out. Obviously then the fitting on. Like that. Then we clean the other end. Same again. Bit of flux.
You need a new flux brush, mate.
I've got loads, but I've just used this one and it's gone a bit stiff. I've just found a little trick actually. I just figured this out. 2 pipe bender guides, look. Hold it in, bang on. So then what we do, see that's fluxed. So then we just heat up. Always get a little bend in your solder. Heat up from below. This is solder. This is lead-free solder, which you should always use. Make sure it's warmed up, just test it. And just a few little taps. I like to keep the joints pretty clean, but some people like to over solder them. To obviously let it cool down a bit. But I like to flux it again because otherwise it doesn't stay clean. It goes all like burnt. So I just feed it in, make sure. Gets rid of all the burn marks. Whereas you can smash it up with your cloth. And then obviously damp rag. Beauty. You don't need to run the solder around. You know what you're doing, you just tap it a few times.
What, so is that, what's that mean? Run the solder around. So is that the
So
flux
some people will put the
it?
end of the flux all the way around and make sure, and then the joint looks like rubbish.
Right.
So I just tap it a few times and it does its job through capillary action. And obviously you can do it vertical as well. And the same thing, it's even more important because if you put too much on it, it'll start running down the pipe. Look like shit.